Ask me to face me, hold me too tight. Need help believing you're here tonight. My wildest dream could not foresee lying beside you with you wanting me. Just for this moment, as long as you're mine, I need no resistance.
You can sing whatever you want.
Make up for lost time, and if it turns out it's all right too fast, I'll make every last moment last, as long as you're mine.
Maybe I'm brainless, maybe I'm wise, but you got me seeing through different eyes. Somehow I'm falling under your spell. Somehow I'm feeling it's something I felt every moment. As long as you're mine, wake up my body and make up for lost time. Say there's no future for us as a pair. And no, I may know I don't care. Just for this moment, as long as you're mine, come be how you want to, and see how bright we shine.